Hey, welcome in my vlog ba yarn? Okay, so ano tayo? Buntot hininga tayo, Charles. Bugtong-bugtong muna tayo. Bugtong-bugtong ba yun? Hindi atay. Oh, so actually nasa Sheraton ako, Kalidia. Guys, naniniwala po ba kayo ng kapag umulan, tapos umaraw, ikinakasal daw ang mga duwende. So sa Ilocanohan kasi, naniniwala sila na kapag umulan at umaraw, kinakasal ang mga duwende. So, di ko alam sa inyo sa Katagalugan or kahit saan sa part ng Pilipinas, kasi sa Ilocano, naniniwala kami ng ganon. Actually, hindi ako Ilocano, Igorot ako, pero naniniwala ako ng ganon. Yun ang pamahiin ng iba. May side, char. Tapos, no Ilocano, no agtudo, translate, no agtudo, tapos aginit, agradrad sakda, ta agkaskasar, dagiji ansisit. Jeti pamati da. So, okay, let's go. I'm gonna try to translate in English. Let's go. So guys, I don't know if you believe about like if after raining and the sun is rise again, so like the dwarf, they are get married, like this is the believers, some part in the Philippines, but especially in Ilocano areas, yeah, especially the pures, they believe on it. So some people, they have also believers, and I don't know what is it, just only about the dwarf. This one I was believe. And for the fox, like they are celebrating happy, I don't know. So I'm not sure, so I don't know if for the other country or other people they believe on it, because here today, like in Abu Dhabi, after a heavy rain and like after an hour the sun's rise again. So yay. I don't know, just wanna hear about for the people's comment. So let's go. Shout out everyone. See you. I'm gonna go in laundry.